Hey hookers, welcome back to my YouTube video. Today we are going to be doing a jewelry haul. Peep the nails. These are fake nails, okay? These are press-on nails, so do not come at me. This is my box right here. This is where I keep my jewelry and everything of the sorts. I already did a makeup haul if you want to go check it out. Here is what is inside. Let me do that again. This is what is inside of my jewelry box. I do have to put some rings in there, which I do not have rings, so we don't talk about that. So first up is this little earring thing happening right here. It literally just goes like this. So you just put it in there. You literally take it right here. You put it in there and then boom. That's how it is, literally. It's so pretty. I got this off of Shein. I'll tag it right here. So yeah, it's really pretty, honestly. I do have to like get it like, because you see the eyes right there. There's some eyes, I don't know if you can tell, but there's eyes right there, and it's supposed to be gold. As you can see, it's like shading, it's like fading out because the gold, I've had it for like 2 years, maybe a year now. Next is this bracelet that I have. I got literally all of these as a gift. I don't know where the freak they got it from, but I literally got all of these as a gift. Anyways, this one right here is like a little pretty, like swirly, like bracelet thing that's happening right now. So that's that one. Next is like my to die for 2020 bracelet thing. Look, it's like chains. I would eat this up. If it was 2020, I would eat this up. I would literally, like, you know how like those little like things that were happening in like 2020 where it's like the belt, the high-rise 90s pants, then there's like the chains, the bucket hats, and blah blah blah. Literally, that's what this would be for, honestly. Boom. Next we have this pretty like metallic silver thing happening. It's like, I don't know what kind of material this is, but it's like really pretty, and it's like very bendy. It's very bendy, but like it just stops right here. So if you bend it, it's like ooh, it's like a toy. But that's a bracelet. Next we have this other one. It's like very beaded. It's like little beads. So boom. It's a bracelet, of course. All of these are basically mostly bracelets, all of them, so fair warning. I did some lipstick on my hand for my lips. We don't talk about that. So here is the other bracelet. Boom. Yeah. Then I have this one. I don't know what kind of material this is. This looks weird, but like it's like very like, it looked like it could be like some kind of chains or something, or like, I don't know, it just falls into your hand like, ooh. Like, I don't know what kind of texture or material this is, but it's really pretty, honestly. Next we have is a smaller one. These do have hearts on them. Look. My literal freaking bow came off of this. Don't talk about that. These have hearts on them, as you can tell. Ooh, all of my stuff is basically like silver. Like, am I a silver girly? I don't know. I probably am. I don't know, because there's like so many things that are like, are you a gold girly? Are you a silver girly? And I'm just like, I don't know. I think I am a silver girly, maybe, but I'm yeah, that's probably because like it goes with my skin really well. As for like gold, I don't think it does. Like, no, I think I'm definitely a silver girly, honestly. This is really pretty, especially since Valentine's Day is tomorrow. I don't have a Valentine's Day, by the way. Hashtag single. If you are single, comment down below. Be like, hashtag single with a heart or a broken heart. You know, you just never know. Also, my cat is like really whiny today, so I'm sorry about that. He's messing with the bag right now. I'm scared. Anyways, so here's that one. Next, we have our little chain beaded one. This is like really pretty. Ooh, wow, look at that. Like, hello, like, whoa, like wow, that's pretty. Okay, next we have is this one. This one's also beaded up and everything. Not beaded, like, but like beaded. Beaded, okay. This one's also beaded as the same one as the other one, but this one's like more like bigger. They have more in it, so yes. If there's like noise in the background, they're really like we're getting a new fridge and they're doing our fridge right now, so yeah. Okay, this one is like the same thing, but it's also like very tiny. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? Yeah, this one's like very tiny. And yeah, this one's also silver as well. This one is also like chained, but it doesn't look chained. It's like a bit thicker, so I don't know. So here's this one. Yeah, period. There's that one. So here's this one. So yeah, next we have our necklace, which is this one. It's like a pearl. It's supposed to be gold, okay? It's very much bronze now. So yeah, you can still see a little bit of like gold, but like it's not very much. Like actually, I'm not even gonna lie, you don't see gold at all, never mind. But like it's very like bronze now, like, you know, it's very bronze. Next we have our gold one. We have a bracelet. It's supposed to be gold, okay? The diamonds are still there, but like the gold is like not even, it's so rusty. Look at it. It's so freaking rusty. Oh my goodness, it's crazy. Okay, now we have this one. Oh, they're talking. Anyways, next we have our little bracelet keychain moment. I think I got this at Spencer's or Hot Topic. I don't really know. Okay, so this one is supposed to be gold too, but it's like bronze now. Look at it, it's so old. It just sits there and rots. Not gonna lie, it just sits there and rots. I really need to get like those little water thing where you put it in there and then it sizzles and then the color comes back to it. Yeah, but this one, I did get this one at Hot Topic or Spencer's, like I said. I actually don't know. So anyways, this one is also a bracelet. I'm having a hard time getting this out and then putting it right there. All right guys, that is it for my video. Thank you so much for watching this. Comment down below which girly you are. Are you a silver girly or are you a gold girly? Are you a silver boy or gold boy? I think low-key, I don't know if I am gold. Am I gold or am I silver? Like, I think I can be both, guys. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. It'll help me and you both. You'll be able to watch my videos and get post notifications every time that I post a video, and I will get you to subscribe and I will cherish your subscription. I will cherish it so bad. Like, oh my god, I love my subscribers. I love my subscribers. Please share and like this video if you did like this video, you know, like, I mean, you don't have to like it, but like, I'm not threatening you or anything. I'm not telling you what to do, right? Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Love you, love you, love you. Peace out.